Hello friends, today in this video I am going to guide you how to install Flutter in your computer or desktop so that you can build mobile application, iOS applications, web application and window application. So now let's start the video. First of all, open any browser first of all you will need the files like Android Studio, Anti-Gravity or Cursor or VS Code, another Chrome web browser, Git and OpenJDK. These are the most important files to be needed here, and this also zip file which is of Flutter SDK zip file. This is also important. Okay, now let's first step, open Edge browser or any browser that you have and search for Flutter SDK. Okay, look for FLUTTR Flutter SDK. I search this and first website will open. Click this first website, and here this in this website you can see quick start. Click on quick start and here confirm your development platform. If you are using Windows, then click this. If you are using Mac, then click on Mac. If you are using Linux, then click Linux. If you are using Chrome OS, then Chrome OS. And here I am using Windows, so I am choosing Windows. And here you can see download prerequisite site software. First of all, it is saying install Git for Windows. I click on this Git for Windows, and here you can see in which platform are you installing Git. If you are using Mac, then click on Mac. If you are using Linux, then click here. I am using Windows, so I am click on this. And now here also click here Git for Windows into 64. I click this and it download. I am canceling this because it is already downloaded in my system. Now you can see here it is already downloaded in my system, and here install this. As I have installed here, so I don't need to install again. You should have to install. After installing this, you can see here the desktop. Here is the documentation. I go back and scroll down, and in this download manually section you should click this install Flutter manually. Now it is open Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS. Click on Windows and scroll down and click this Flutter window sticker. Click this and download. I am going to canceling this because it already downloaded, and I have also extracted this. I already extracted, so you can see inside this folder there is other folders also. Now here it is saying you should store this extracted zip file, in C directory, users, username and develop. I am going to C drive, users is my username, and you should create this new develop folder by clicking new folder and click here develop. Develop, it is already here, so I am not going to create. You should create it. Okay, after this folder you will create, click on this. In this first of all it will be empty, so that you downloaded this and extracted, click open this and keep this folder will show. Copy and go to C drive. Go only in C drive, not on the rest, because in future it will affect user, my username and this develop folder, and paste this. As I have already pasted, so I don't need to paste again, but you have to paste. Then scroll down and you have to add path to your Flutter. Okay, for this go to your search and search edit environmental system, and here environment variables, and for users variable for ch my username, click path. On this path click edit. I click on edit and new, and it is saying which path will be added in the environment variable. So for this go to file, and you should go to C drive. Okay, because you have put this in the C drive, and see users, username, develop, Flutter, bin, and copy this part, and then go to the environment variable and new and paste this here. I have, as it is already present here, so I don't need to again do this, so I'm going to cancel it. But you have to do when you put this like this in the this in edit environment variable, it will be here at last. So you have to, by clicking move up button, You should move up and okay. Now you have successfully set up your Flutter path in your system. Now you have to install Flutter in your desktop. So for this, go to CMD, run as administrator, and search for Flutter Doctor. And for if and here it will run as it will not show like this. For the first time, it will show like installing Flutter path in your system. So it will take around 5 to 10 minutes for installing. Then only this will show. Okay, in showing in the time of showing, it will make this option command line tool cross and the Chrome cross. So in the inner video, we will learn. I will guide you how to make this option stick. Okay. Okay. How to make this option stick. So in the part 2, I will upload this. This much for today. In the part 2, I will install Android Studio and JDK. Thank you so much.